The Indian stock market is running hot. The Nifty just crossed the 24,200 mark, while the Sensex stacked on over 827 points in a single session. That momentum was fueled by heavy lifting in the tech sector. Tata Consultancy Services posted a 4.6% increase in net profit, which triggered a rally across the entire Nifty IT index. Add in broad-based buying across mid and small-cap stocks to reclaim recent highs. Institutional money is backing this push. Foreign institutional investors pumped over 3,400 crore rupees into the cash market in a single week, reversing the cautious stance they held through late June. This chart shows a major rotation. For the first time since 2019, SBI has regained the number 2 spot in market capitalization. While ICICI Bank faced a 10% correction, SBI held steady with a 0.3% dip, edging past the private lender. Zooming out, global pressures are easing, reflected by Brent crude dipping peg down to roughly $76 a barrel. With the macro environment stabilizing, the focus shifts to the micro level, where specific corporate data determines which companies are actually delivering on their valuations. High stock valuations are ultimately tested by earnings. The Q1 results season serves as a compass for where the market is headed in the weeks ahead. This financial tree shows the initial output from D-Mart's parent company, Avenue Supermarts. They posted a net profit of 860.6 crore rupees, an 11.3% jump year over year. Following the branches down, this profit is supported by scale, generating 18,795 crore rupees in revenue to achieve this growth. Right now, the data pipeline is moving fast. Tech and defense manufacturer Avantel, along with LTI Mindtree, are the next corporate reports dropping today. While these results are only the beginning, they provide the first concrete data points for a season where valuations are at historic highs. The goal is to see if actual business growth in the coming weeks can keep pace with current stock prices. We can anticipate the market's next moves by tracking specific catalysts. Here is a 7-stock watch list driven by upcoming events and board decisions. First, the heavyweights. TCS commands attention with its ongoing post-earnings momentum. D-Mart remains the strong retail anchor, and Reliance Industries is gearing up for a July 17th board meeting, dictating capital allocation this coming quarter. Next is GL Financial Services. Their earnings report and analyst presentation are scheduled for July 16th, providing visibility into their lending and digital assets. We round out the list with Goodluck India, Avantel, and CRISIL. These 3 are in focus due to internal restructuring plans and major upcoming payout announcements. Tracking these 7 tickers provides a cross-sectional pulse on 3 critical sectors of the Indian economy: IT, energy, and financials. Beyond earnings, internal corporate actions, like mergers or bonus shares, create sudden, mathematically predictable shifts in a stock's price. This mechanical flowchart illustrates Goodluck India's restructuring. Their board approved a 2-for-1 bonus issue, represented by the split here, and an amalgamation of their green energy division into the parent company to centralize the balance sheet. Elsewhere, Standard Engineering, HT Media, and DigiContent are holding board meetings today to consider strategic preferential stock issues. You also need to mark these exact record dates to capture yields. CRISIL locked its date for July 27th. Meanwhile, TCS approved an interim dividend of 12 rupees per share, and Bharti Airtel is paying out 24 rupees. Monitoring these board meetings and record dates lets you position yourself for predictable price adjustments, rather than reacting to a stock chart after the movement has already happened. Dividends, bonuses, and splits are the mechanics used to distribute profits and manage share accessibility. On the structural side, Boldium International is executing a 1-for-3 bonus issue, while Mangalam Worldwide is preparing an upcoming stock split to increase liquidity. On the passive income side, we have a list of final dividend payouts. The first block includes JK Cement, Dr. Reddy's, Aegis Logistics, and New India Assurance. The payout list finishes with Apollo Tires, Mahindra Logistics, Orient Electric, Rosari Biotech, Geojit, SmartLink, and VST Industries. The data in the syllabus provides a structural map of the market's current direction. By moving from macro trends to specific yields and corporate actions, the strategy shifts from following sentiment to acting on confirmed data. That's the goal of the syllabus, and this has been The Explainer.